Why your bathroom needs a niche. Dear friends, a shower niche is a small, recessed area in a shower wall that is designed to hold showering essentials such as shampoo, soap, and other toiletries. It is essentially a built-in shelf that is installed into the wall of a shower during construction or remodeling. Shower niches are a popular design feature in modern bathrooms as they can provide a sleek, streamlined look while also offering practical benefits. They can help keep showering essentials organized and easily accessible, while also freeing up space on the shower floor and reducing clutter. Additionally, shower niches can be customized with various materials and finishes to match the overall aesthetic of the bathroom. Here are some of the benefits of a bathroom niche. More storage space. One of the main advantages of having a niche in the shower is the additional storage. You could use it to store toiletries, towels, and more. Optimize your space. If you've got a small bathroom, fitting a shower niche makes the most of the space you have. It stops your surfaces from getting cluttered with toiletries and makes for a more convenient, functional bathroom. Decoration. A shower niche elevates the look of your space and makes it more personal, adding a touch of style and originality to the area. You could add some integrated lighting to take your shower niche design up a notch. Functionality. Shower niches are incredibly practical. You can use them for things like soap or sponges, giving you easy access from the shower or bath, or more decorative items like scented candles to get that coveted spa look. Easy access. Niches are ideal for storing your everyday products because they're just at the right height. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.